Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin in terms of what is going to be the future, what is the predictions, how Elon Musk is going to make a difference, and in just general, what is the cryptocurrency market going to offer you in the future. Personally, I still feel like there are some crazy things yet to happen as the bearish market might break out very soon and you will miss out on the buying opportunity. But before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video for the YouTube algorithm to push the video out to more people. More people see the incredible side of Dogecoin, they decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit, so make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, we have some crazy things to talk about when it comes to Dogecoin. This is the 1-day chart and I want to show you guys something very interesting. So you remember the big flash crash that the crypto has been having since the start of 2022, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Especially Solana today did horrible, including Dogecoin. Now Dogecoin actually started recovering about, I'd say 10 days ago, and that recovery was due to a huge factor affecting it, and that was Elon Musk telling Tesla to start accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment for their merchandise. Now this push for Doge was very heavy as it pushed it all the way up to 21.5 cents, but ever since that big zigzag line, you can see that we have started going down. Now keep in mind that this was actually a really good push because you can see that from the past month we were on a downtrend on the 1-day chart when it comes to what was happening with the overall trend, but just for those 6 days we actually flipped around and we were in an uptrend. Now keep in mind, for the past 3 days the whole market has been shattering and the whole market has been climbing down very quickly. But if we decide to look at Dogecoin, it's still holding on to the price a lot better compared to a lot of people anticipated, as a lot of people were saying that Dogecoin is going to completely die down as Bitcoin decides to start coming down. If we decide to look at the buy and the sell orders coming in, you can see they're pretty evened out, but the sell orders are more being done per day as a lot of people decide to think that they want to take the money out of the whole crypto market, as they are a little scared in terms of what is going to happen between Russia and Ukraine. Is Russia going to ban cryptocurrency completely, including mining and also even transfers? That is going to have a huge impact. If we decide to look at the RSI line, you can see for the 1-day chart we're nearly going below and being in the zone which is going to be an oversold zone. Now keep in mind that this oversold zone is going to help us because due to the fact that a lot of retail investors will decide to come back into crypto, and especially Dogecoin, because you guys know everyone was predicting that Elon Musk will have Dogecoin being accepted by Tesla, and seeing it being accepted for their merchandise, that means it can be accepted for cars very soon, as Bitcoin has done that in the past. If we decide to look at the overall supports that it can play off, you can see that the last support that it can resonate close to is the 13-cent mark. If we just decide to recover just a little bit and stay close to the 13-cent mark as the Bitcoin and the whole cryptocurrency market decides to push back, that is going to be the crucial point that will make a huge difference on the Dogecoin price. Personally, I still feel like Dogecoin has a very bright future because, I mean, the world's richest person is backing it up, and there is some crazy news that have come out. There are still so many people that are looking down on Dogecoin in the cryptocurrency market. It is crazy to think. I personally still believe in the fact that by the end of 2022 we're going to be seeing some crazy gains when it comes to the Dogecoin price. If we decide to look at some crazy news that have come out, look at this. So Dogecoin creator points out unusual bear market sign, and they're talking about boy Billy. The sign of a bear market in crypto. People start talking about the tech again. Is he right? 100%. That just means that a lot of people are starting to prove to people saying, hey, I do want to say that crypto has some incredible tech behind it. that means that the market is going down, and they need to make sure that people still have trust in the crypto market, and that is why they start talking about the tech rather than the whole market making you so much money. Personally, I still think that Bitcoin will test the resistance close to 30k, or actually the support close to 30k before it starts reverting. That's just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. Now, some people who are not a fan of Dogecoin is someone called Finvin, who's actually on, you decide to check on Twitter, and you can see Dogecoin is showing strong support as $0. Let's just say some people are not very happy to see Dogecoin going up so much, as they were not able to profit from it. That's all I'm gonna say. No fighting towards it. But some crazy things that are still yet to come is McDonald's is under pressure to accept Musk's favorite crypto, Dogecoin. And why they are talking about this is fans of Dogecoin, which features the image of Shiba Inu dog as its logo, has been going crazy after McDonald's. It all started when McD tweeted on January 19th a picture of French fries offering to respond with a specially photoshopped image to anyone tagging a fry. And let's just say a lot of people decided to talk about Dogecoin, and then McDonald's officially tweeted out saying that Dogecoin eating some fries. I mean, are they going to be accepting it? I don't think that will be happening in the next month or so, due to the fact that yes, it has a lot of interest. They do want to get into the hype as soon as possible, but as the market is in a dip moment, they want to make sure that the market can go into a consolidation period, and that would be a perfect time to start accepting Dogecoin so it can pump as much as possible. If we decide to something else, look at this news article that was posted by the E-Coach. As crypto implodes, Dogecoin co-founder Billy says crashes in crypto happen a lot. Do I agree with that statement? 100%. If you came into crypto market thinking that you're just going to make money and walk away with a lot of money, that's a wrong thinking. If you want stable income, go with the stock market. But if you want something that will just go up, down, south, it just goes crazy, then that's when you want to come to crypto. When everything can go crazy, it can also go south on you. If it decides to go south on you, the best thing to do is simply hold, because you do not know when it will come up, and you do not want to sell on a loss, because the only time you take a loss is when you sell. That's how I personally see it. Bitcoin drops 6-month low. Ethereum eyes bearish cross as the US stock index features erase early gains. Now, personally, I still think, as I said, there is going to be some huge testing being done close to 30k for Bitcoin, but overall, it still looks like a very good market to me. That's all I'm going to say. Moving on, finally, the price analyst. Dogecoin peaks below 14 cent, moves lower again. Dogecoin price is bearish today. Not surprised by that, as the whole market is in a bearish movement. Selling pressure returned overnight, as a lot of people are deciding to take profit that they should have taken a long time ago, as they are scared that the market will keep dipping. If you guys do not know, when the market started recovering, Shiba Inu and Doge were the fastest growing crypto in the top 100 by market cap, which is just insane and crazy at the same time. If we decide to look at the 1 hour chart, it will give you a much more idea in terms of what kind of pattern we have started to form. As it was starting to stabilize and turn into an uptrend, it crashed again, as the whole market is just being very unstable at the moment. But other than that, what do you guys think will happen to crypto? I personally think there's some crazy gains yet to be made. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, drop a like on it, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.